Panguva ino the Zimbabwe Republic Police vouya ichiintimidata nokuthreatena macitizens vese vanoonekwa kunzi they are planning to follow Bomso Geza's address yekuita protest, mass protest inonzi a million protest munyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino after yakanda threats kuti wese angowanikwa achidemonstrata kana kupatishina havasi kumisa vakomana robo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina my police statement inoburitswa the ZRP yamuri kuona budanya wachinzi the ZRP assures Zimbabweans of peace and security on 17 October 2025 and beyond. The Zimbabwe Republic Police assures all Zimbabweans and visitors that comprehensive security measures have been put in place to ensure peace, law and order prevails before, during and after 17 October 2025. In line with the police constitutional mandate to maintain law and order, safeguard lives and property, the Commissioner General of Police has deployed officers nationwide to protect the public and the key infrastructure in all provinces. Members of the public are implored to go about their daily activities without fear. All essential services, including schools, businesses, public transport, and government institutions, will continue to operate as usual. The public is urged not to be misled or intimidated by rumors, misinformation, or threats circulating on social platforms. Acts of violence, threats, vandalism, or incitement to commit crime will be severely dealt with in line with the country's laws. Zimbabwe should feel free to report any suspicious activities, threats, or disturbances affecting their socio-economic activities to any nearest police station or contact the National Complaints Desk. Domashwa anobuda panguva ino achinyorwa the Police Commissioner General Ponyati. Pina comment section menu dzamafungiro enyu mboti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa kuchionekwa kunzi ZANU-PF panguva ino iri kutya kuti zvaarongwa naBomso Geza aiwa vangakonzeresa uye vanga outstiwa sezvakamboitika mumakore apfuura. Pina comment section menu dzamafungiro enyu mboti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.